In this tutorial, I'll show you how to volume scatter in Blender. Volume scattering is very easy to do in Blender. All we need is a mesh, a light, and a world node that contains a volume scatter node. I have created a sphere with random hole as a mesh, but we can use any meshes that can illuminate a strong light source from the inside. This is optional, but we can also solidify the mesh. Here is a point light inside the mesh. Please create a random mesh with holes, and it can be any mesh types. I'll add a point light. This is how we access the world node editor. The idea is to have a very strong light source from the inside of the mesh, and we'll get the volume scatter effect. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.